Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Dapat ito, kasi siguro, no? Pinakatulang start bago.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Nakakommerce lang yun.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami.
We'll take 1 minute tomorrow. Start again.
I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami din sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, malamang oras pa sa dulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan lang. Idulog walang labis, walang ulang. Yoroleo, areleo, areleo, areleo.
Versus halo-halo. Dito natin masusukat ng lakas ng iyong mga banayad.
Our first game for tonight, Frostbite versus Banayad.
Okay. Sa mga Pilipino, hindi ka na magsabi?
Ayaw mo naman no speed rep eh.
Ha?
Mag-explain ka English.
Nabi ako sa
English, mas sabi ba?
First fight, what is it?
pattern natin sa laro. Pasakin.
Okay, good luck guys. Okay, basketball ha. Just enjoy the game. Welcome po sa ating guest viewers from pwede po kayong lumapit, wala pong bayad. Lapit po kayo. Sa mga viewers po, pwede po bumaba para hindi po kayo mahirapan. Maganda po laban, Pilipino versus ibang lahi na to. Pilipino. All-star game to. Later. Okay, jump ball. Good. White ball. Jersey number 2, jersey number 30. Jersey number 2, jersey number 30. Jersey number 11. Nice press. And good rebound with jersey number 30. And good rebound naman Bertula. Ang lakas mo buhay. Bertula pa o. Alcantara sidestep to Morning Star. That good rebound with the defense. Jersey number 22, jersey number 12. Jersey number 11, nice back. Hey, there's a violation, troubling violation. Ramos to Del Pilar. Back to Ramos. Back to Del Pilar. Alcantara. Side step to Karan. Good for 2 points. Karan. With the set. Get 32 good for 2 points. The big man of first right. Jersey number 32. Alcantara to Morning Star. You get a foul. Foul number 1 versus number 13. You know the shot with Morning Star. First goal. Yes sir. Before 1 point. Second goal. Yes sir, perfect 2 by Morning Star. Jersey number 12, jersey number 30, for the 30, jersey number 11 for Queen. Short rebound of Morning Star. And Ramos now. Wrong pass. Nasobrahan sa banana. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 2. And sends a shoot. Jersey number 30 for 3. Rebounds. Jersey number 30. Del Pilar to Alcantara. Ramos for 3. Not good. Rebound Karag. Karag 1 more to start to Ramos. Back to Karag. Karag now. Foul, jersey number 11, happy foul. Karag to Alcantara. Jump shot, a good rebound, jersey number 2. With jersey number 13. Low. Intercept by Del Pilar. Del Pilar now. to Alcantara. A good rebound. Hello. Bravo! Wala! No shoot. Right here, jersey number 2. Medals for 3. Rebounds! Jersey number 2. Medal. Brought to you by Macdo. Kung may kinakain kayo, i-share nyo. Alcantara. 15 seconds to shoot. The Morning Star. 10 seconds. Then the other side step. The intercept. 1 seconds. Alcantara. Basket. Basket.
6-5.
Teams 5. This game is brought to you by Orange Shoes. Kung may orange shoes ka, may pera ka.
Ayaw mo rin sa'kin, di mas lalong ayaw ko rin sa'yo.
Ang sarap maglaro.
Di ka pipiliin,
Lalo na.
kaya ang iba ang hanap
Ang
mo.
ganda ng dala.
Basta lagi mong tandaan, bakit ay nasasaktan?
Shoutout, kaya kayo.
Ka nang babalikan. Alam ko
Jersey number 2.
napapa.
The jersey number 3 for 3. Now good shot. Rebound on jersey number 35. It's such a good violation. Corona! Wow now. To Malik Met. The intercept by Malik Met. Malik Met now. To Semis. Oh yeah! Not good! Down in the air. Jersey number 3. Sinaskat. Not good. Rebound. Seven last. That's on black team. White ball. Jersey number 2. Setting up jump shot. Not good. Rebound on Makatunggal to Malik Met to Makatunggal. Not good. Rebound on jersey number 1. With jersey number 4. Smite for 3. Not good. Rebound on Calvero to center. Malik Met. Low pass. Intercept. Jersey number 2 now, setting up the goal. Jersey number 3 back to jersey number 2. Jersey number 35 for 3-point lane. Rebounds! Jersey number 35. Senna jump shot, not good. Again by Senna, trying again, not good again. Rebound on jersey number 3. Nice win. Jersey number 35 again for 3-point lane, not good. Rebound on jersey number, hinawakan foul, loose foul. Jersey number 14, Calviero. First to Matthew. Second throw. Just serve. Good for 1 point. Maligbat na. To Corona. To mga tunggal. Mga tunggal inside. Yes sir, good for 2 points. There's number 35. The waggling violation in jersey number 3.
14-8. 14-8. 8-8.
Nakasulat na sa ano, nakasulat na.
8.
8 daw, 8.
Galing si 7. Galing si 7.
Maligmat. Makatunggal yung si 2 points. Smite. Smite. Jersey number 2 for 3. Rebounds. Jersey number 2. Corona. To Maligmat. Back to Corona. Corona. Block. Smite. Intercept by Maligmat. Tunggal shot. Smite. Smite. To Isley. To Kim Bennett. 3 seconds violation for the white team. Sena. Sena. Maligbat. Maligbat to Calvero. To Corona. Not good. Rebound to jersey number 1. Iceman. To jersey number 3 for 3. Not good. Rebound on Maligbat. Maligbat now. Kung makatunggal, good for 2 points. Five to shoot. Need to shoot. No penalty. No penalty. For 3. Shot. Time for the first quarter.
Sigawan ang iyong kagandahan. Sa karamihan, mas masarap pilihan kapag tahimik lang. Huwag ka na sanang magpapaniwala sa pangako ng iba. Pagkat ako'y natatak.
Dito Mike. Ay.
Dito.
Muna lang kasi medyo nahuli pa, pero sabi ko din sa babae, mauna yung scoring natin sa paper bago ka sabayan mo na lang.
Okay, back to Brooklyn. Second quarter. So. Panayat's ball for the second. Alcantara.
Shout out to Randy Maninang. To Coach Mike. Watching.
Ibang ang Deleon. Hindi makatalon sa bago sa Marcos. Just number 30. To Smite for 3. Short rebound. De Leon now long pass to Alcantara. Alcantara intercept by jersey number 2. Drop hit. Jersey number 2. Not good. Follow up. Not good. Jersey number 2. Not good. Foul on jersey number 9.
Iba na malaki.
Alcantara.
Go Frostbite by Randy Maninang. Michael Angelo, Coach Mike. Highlights.
First ball. Basket. The big Nowitzki. Second throw. A good rebound. Jersey number 11. Pull up that good rebound on Karag. Karag now. Giving the ball to Del Pilar. Ay to Leon. Intercept. Nakuha ni Del Pilar ang bola. Del Pilar now. Del Pilar. De Leon. Good for 2 points. De Leon. Ang unang basket ng unang sapatos. Sorry. Kalimutan ko. Sorry for that. Yun ang mahirap eh. Intercept. Conchara, long pass to Del Pilar. Del Pilar. Tackling violation and Del Pilar. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 32. Cross pass to jersey number 12, to jersey number 13, nice pass to jersey number 11, good for 2 points. Alcantara now. Foul from the jersey number 12, blocking foul. Del Pilar to Alcantara. Alcantara. Cross pass to Del Pilar. Del Pilar. Intercept by jersey number 30 to Smite. Smite. Easy 2 points. Timeout. Banayad Whiskey. Starting the score. 22-40 in favor of West Viking. Okay, klaro tayo. Del Pilar to Alcantara. Alcantara, jersey number 69, pull up. Not good. Foul on jersey number 5, not good. Last touch from color team. Lights ball. Spike, jersey number 32, back to Spike. That's in white. Alcantara. De Leon, not good. Rebound De Leon. Good for 2 points. De Leon. Brought to you by Kobe Orange. 32, not good. Rebound on De Leon. De Leon now to Alcantara. Alcantara getting the foul. Committed on jersey number 12, John Hood. Kapalang ba? First personal foul. Second personal foul. First, that's basket. Good, not good. Di pumasok. Second throw. Not good again. Rebound on De Leon. Good for 2 points, De Leon. Mike. It's Mike now. Libre. Just number 12, not good. Rebound just number 12. Rebound just number 22, not good. Rebound just number 2. Who's followed up? Just number 11, pushing foul. Just number 11. Oh. Del Pilar to Alcantara. Number 69 to Karak. Intercept by De Leon. Intercept on jersey number 4. Is Mike. Basket count. Foul on jersey number 19, Del Pilar. Bonus shot on Smite. Yes, sir. He get the lucky bounce. Starting score 25-18. Intercept by Jacket. Jacket now. All alone. Not good. He wanna just have it. Put back. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 69. Right. To Del Pilar. To Karak. Not good. Move on jersey number 32. Is Mike. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 11. Traveling violation. Nice run. Change 5 for the second quarter. Substitution. All in, all out. Sena to Malikmat to Senas. Senay to Malikmat to Makatut Bell. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 4. The jersey number 35. The jersey number 2. The jersey number 77, Lazin. Makahanap na. Good for 2 points. Ayan na nga, sinasabi ko. Ayan na nga. Malimad yung makadunggal. Libre si Sena sa corner. Sena for 3 black. Rebound on. Last touch on right. Black ball. 47 to shoot. Kaiho. Wala, rebound. Last pass on scoreboard, white score. Jersey number 77. Jersey number 77. Intercept. Jersey number 77 again. The jersey number 9. Pull up. Good. Last pass on white. Sena. To Makatunggal driving. Goes for 2 points. There's number 9. ISO 4. ISO drive. Good pass. Jersey number 77. Not good. We got jersey number 77. Ramming in violation. Alipat. Makatunggal. Drive. Time out. Banayad team. Both sides running and going. For the Jobbers, with 40 points. Which number 77? Libre with 40 points at jersey number 1. Makatunggal side step. Not good. Rebound on jersey number 2 to jersey number 77. Easy to West, not good. Rebound on jersey number 9 with 40 points on Kuka. Balik back. Corona. Makatunggal. Intercept on D. Long pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 now. Wow. Jersey number 3. Malikmat. Third team foul, Banayad Whiskey. ISO. The jersey number 77, D. Jump shot. Not good. Rebound on Malikmat. Malikmat now to Makatunggal. Makatunggal drive. Side step to Corona. Good for 2 points. Corona. It's ball back to the ball. Jersey number 2 for 3 shot. Rebound on Corona. Intercept. Good pass. Jersey number 2. Very good rebound on Corona. Corona now to Malikmat. Malikmat now. Malikmat driving. Shot. Rebound on jersey number 35 to jersey number 77. Jersey number 9 for 3. Rebounds. Jersey number 9. Time out. Banayad team. They started the score. 46-26, 10-point lead. Isa na ako ng bala. First bite, running for penalty, 13 foul. At Banayad Whiskey. Jersey number 9 now. To Lee. Intercept by Calveo to Kaligmat to Sena. Sena for 3-point game. 3-point Sena. Jersey number 9. ISO. Jump shot. Good for 2 points. 15 seconds on the second quarter. Makatunggal. Sena. Last touch forward. Last 1 second. 1 second to shoot. Wow. Very strong, man. Nice game for the first half. Starting the score, 28-29. Dikit lang ang second digit.
Samahan niyo kami.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
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 Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo kami din sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, lamang oras pa sa dulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan na. Idulag iyong walang labis, walang ulan. Yoroleo, areleo, areleo.
Warning na yun. Pwede pumasok ko rin dito.
Samahan niyo kami din eh. Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. May hope. Okay po. Samahan niyo ko kami.
Yoroleo, areleo, areleo, rendi. Yoroleo, areleo, areleo, rendi. Sa pitong
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
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 Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo kami din eh sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, lamang oras pa sa dulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan na. Idulag iyong walang labis, walang ulan. Yoroleo, areleo, areleo, rendi.
No more Pasarelli wins on the second half. We can shuffle, we can substitution. White ball.
White, your ball. You can pass anywhere.
Jersey number 30. Jersey number 77. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 77 for the corner. For 3 points. Jersey number 77. Sena. For 3 points. Sena. Sena is from Kaliput. Jersey number 20 for 3. Check. Del Pilar. Del Pilar now to Del Pilar. To Sena for 3-point lane again. Check. Rebound on jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, right? Now good rebound on Alcantara. Last ball on the line. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 10. To jersey number 13, back to jersey number 12, to jersey number 77 for 3-point. Good rebound on Nakatungay to Del Pilar. Del Pilar now. Del Pilar. Good rebound on Alcantara. Alcantara to De Leon. Basket now. Foul committed on jersey number 32. Basket down. Please check your names because it's very dangerous. This one will be a reminder for all teams. Okay.
Technical
This
foul.
one unit wanted to secure. Bonus shot not good. He's the one who presented to take the shot but not good. But not good, bonus shot. This one is bonus shot now. Rebounders, be ready. This is bonus shot now. One bonus shot now. Jumpers ready. That is bonus shot now. 3 jumpers only. 3 jumpers inside the board. Yes, sir. This game is brought to you by Orange Shoes. Ice now. Jersey number 32, pull up. Now good rebound at Sena. Sena to Alcantara. Alcantara. Henderson. Long pass to jersey number 13. Yes, sir. Time out. Banayad Whiskey.
Pagsigawan ang iyong kagandahan sa karamihan, mas masarap ibigan.
To Alcantara. To Leon. Leon. Now good rebound on the player inside. He get a foul. Hacking on head. On ice. Ice ball. Two shot on the player. You can do this here before the substitution. Substitution. Ice man in. Ice back out. Jersey number 11, you commit the third personal foul. First throw, short. To the laundry. That's right. Second throw. Yes, sir. Good for 1 point on Del Pilar. Jump head now. Jump head. Setting up. It's jersey number 9 for a 3-point lane. Not good. Rebound on jersey number 30. It's jersey number 32. Good back. Not good. Rebound on Del Pilar. Intercept on jersey number 9. Good for 2 points. Tunggal now. To the block back ng mga tunggal to Sena for 3-point lane. Now good. Rebound on jersey number 1 to jersey number 30. ISO for 3. Yes, sir. 3-point. ISO. Alcantara now. Setting up the ball. Alcantara. Pressuring. Alcantara. Side set to Del Pilar for 3-point lane. Now good. Rebound on jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 now. To jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Jump shot. Rebound on Sena. Sena now. Sena. Now good. Again by Sena. De Leon. Basket time. Substitution, Dre. Substitution. The Sonic score 48-38, 10-point lead by Westbine.
Maya.
Basket na good. Jersey number 12 Westbine, third personal foul. Rebound on De Leon. De Leon lumulong pass to baliktad, intercept. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 4. And Tanapasa, good for 2 points, a very nice pass. And jersey number 4 to jersey number 77. Senat, yung mga tunggal. Good for 2 points. Hina, playing the foul. Pushing foul on jersey number 23. Mga tunggal. Substitution, Rick. Sena out. The starting score 50-40, favor 150. Rebound on ISO! Not good. Rebound on jersey number 77. The jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, not good. Last chance on jersey number 9, ISO. Alcantara na ito malikmat. Malikmat na ito makatunggal na. Seringan makatunggal. 82 points. Jersey number 7. Intercept, malikmat na Alcantara. Easy 2 points. Hey, nasa Son White. Next ball.
A 6-point lead by Frostbite over Banayad.
Time out. Frostbite team. Remaining time 4 minutes and 58 seconds to play. For the third quarter, just release it. Okay. Malikmat na ako tunggal back, malikmat po Alcantara. Alcantara, Kudeon, intercept on jersey number 4, with jersey number 77, easy lays up, yes sir. Makatunggal na, makatunggal. Getting a foul, committed on, jersey number 2, Blended. Commit second personal foul. Makatunggal, you get a foul. Foul committed on jersey number 4. Second foul. 2 shots. Frostbite is under one penalty. First throw, not good. Second throw. Not good again. Rebound on the goal. Not good. Rebound on the left foot. Yes, sir. It's okay, my friend. Just play the ball. Smite. He smites. The jersey number 11 is stepping the line. Substitution. 35 out. 32 in. Alcantara, setting up Alcantara, Udayan, nice pass, attack good. Jersey number 77, the jersey number 9, ISO for 3, shot, rebound, jersey number 77, the jersey number 2, the jersey number 9, nice pass, basket down. It's a beautiful kick and goal. Pass pressed by. Hello. Basket down. Bonus shot on Blended. Not good. Rebound on makatunggal. Alcantara, beautiful pass. Not good. Rebound on makatunggal. Pull back. Not good again. Rebound on jersey number 32 to jersey number 77. To jersey number 9. ISO for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Rebounds. No pass again. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 2, Bennett, block on Morning Star. Easy 2 points at jersey number 22. Beautiful pass on Bennett. Balik back now. Alcantara De Leon. De Leon! Basket! Not good. Substitution, right? All of this number 9. Substitution. Coming in, coming out. You're following me, go out.
Go, Papi!
First bite is underworld penalty. First from not good. First bite is underworld penalty. Going on. Yes, sir.
The 10-point lead by Frostbite.
Jersey number 4. Mike. To Iso. Fake. Iso pull up. That good rebound on Morning Star. Morning Star now to Calveo. To Malikmat. Malikmat setting up the ball. Malikmat now. Malikmat. Jersey number 69. Back to Malikmat. Malikmat now. Malikmat jump sweep. That good. Roar. Big rebound. Last touch on right. That's ball. 14 seconds to shoot for the shot clock. Malikmat now to jersey number 69. Ayman, intercept. Intercept on there. He get a foul. Foul committed. Jersey number 4. Spike reaching in. Good body shot. Penalty direct. First one. Yes, sir. Second one. Not good. Rebound just number 32 to just number 717. He now to Iso. Iso back to Lee. Lee. Nice pass to just number 2. To Spike for 3-point line. Bang, bang, bang! 3 points. Spike. Starting the score. 62-50. 12-point lead. Malikmat now. 10 seconds to shoot. To Ayman. Ayman to De Leon. De Leon. He get the foul. Foul on jersey number 77. Lee. Penalty net. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds. Standing score 62-50. First score. Not good. Second one. Yes, sir. Good for 1 point. Iso, to just number 32. Back on the lane. To just number 4. Spike for 3 again. Rebound on Calveo. Calveo now to Parag. Parag now to the lane. Intercept on jersey number 2. Jersey number 10. To jersey number 10. Follow up. Good for 2 points. Hey, my man. That's a beautiful highlight. Rapid violation. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. It's a free. Not good. Rebound on Sungaran. Balikmat to De Leon to Ayman. Beautiful shot with 4 points. Last 5 to shoot. Lee for 3. Shot. Yes, nice game for his guy. Nice game, Panayan.
Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. May hope. Okay po. Samahan niyo ko kami.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. Sa aming bagong simula.
Kung pikon ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, lamang oras pa sa dulo. Ito ay hindi chismis na pag-uusapan na. Idulag iyong walang labis, walang ulan. Yoroleo, areleo,
Hey! Take out of my group. Nice shot, bro. But next time, not do that one, huh?
It's a fourth and final quarter. Black ball.
Banayat's ball. Final quarter tayo. Standing score 64-53. Alcantara. Last touch on wide. Last ball. Sena to Del Pilar. Di Makatunggal. Good for 2 points. Standing score 64-55. Intercept.
Kick ball, white ball.
Kicking ball. White's ball. 14 to shoot. 14.
40 seconds lang. Shot.
There's number 3 for 3. Rebounds. There's number 30. Alcantara. Makatunggal. We get the foul. Foul on jersey number 13. Alcantara. Possible pass. Jacket now gripping the ball. Jacket. Jersey number 11. Good for 2 points. Warning for penalty. Warning for delaying the game. Del Pilar. To Sena. Good. Rebound on jersey number 1. To Jacket. Jacket now. Jacket. Jersey number 35 for 3. And good rebound from Sena. Sena now to Alcantara. Alcantara. Foul. Jersey number 12. Warning on jersey number 12, fourth personal foul, Chapman. Personal, not good. Second throw. Not good. Rebound on jersey number 1. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 30. For 3-point play, and good. Rebound on jersey number 13. To jersey number 11. To jersey number 1. 3 seconds violation, substitution, right? Sena for 3. Rebound on Sena. It's a jump ball.
White ball.
Jump ball.
White.
White ball.
First possession. Fourth quarter.
Jersey number 1. Wobbling violation. Galayon. Good. Rebound on Del Pilar. Del Pilar again. Wala pa rin. Del Pilar again. To Sena for 3. Good rebound on De Leon. Wala pa rin, rebound on Makatunggal. He got the foul. Hacking number 13. Hacking. Substitution.
Baseline.
Jersey number 13, 20 personal foul. Sena for 3. Yes, sir. Jersey number 9 now, ISO. He got the foul. Jersey number 9, Alcantara. Warning for penalty, Panayat. ISO jump shot. Not good, rebound. Makatunggal to Alcantara. Rebound. Del Pilar, put back. Not good, rebound on the left, put back. Good for 2 points. 69-60. Jersey number 4. Hey, good for 2 points. De Leon. Not good. Rebound on jersey number 9. Good for 2 points. De Leon, good for 2 points. As 5 minutes to play. Wow, jersey number 9. Warning on Alcantara. ISO for 3. Rebound on Sena. Sena now. Sena now. To Alcantara. 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 Yes, sir. Lee. Jump shot. Yes, sir. Alcantara now. Sena for 3-point lane. Rebound on Del Pilar. Naju. Rebound on Lee now. Foul. Time out. Banana Whiskey. This game is brought to you by ASI Brands. Hi, Negros.
Shoutout kay Kim
Jersey number 9.
Alcantara.
Alcantara.
Shoutout kung kanila.
Warning. Atau Sena yung warning. Foul. Smite. Jersey number 32. To Smite. Setting up. Smite now. Smite. Dragging, not good. Rebound on jersey number 32. Yes, sir. Adam ba now? Adam Bell drive. He get the foul. Put it on. Who's fouling? Foul. Jersey number 32. Second personal foul, jersey number 32, second team foul. A 1-4 penalty for strike. Tablay. Second row basket. Easy basket. Adam by now to Del Pilar. To Alcantara. Intercept. Long pass. Intercept for Alcantara. Long pass to De Leon. De Leon to Morning Star. Fake. Yes, sir. Last 3 minutes to play. ISO! Pakatungkad. Morning Star! Rebound on jersey number 22. ISO for 3. Not good. Rebound on the spike. A very good shot on the spike. Del Pilar. Rebound on jersey number 4. Is mine! Ngunit ko lang nakastarize by kaibiganin. Makatunggal. Nadun, rebound on ISO. Paalat ng Banayan. Foul. Alcantara. Warning on Alcantara. Substitution rep. All in, all out. 85-67. The waiting time 1 minute and 54. OT is penalty. Ice pack. Alcantara. Rebound on ice pack. Jacket. Who beat the ball? Jacket. He takes it out of 13 for a 3-point game. And good. Again and again. For 3. Rebound on Del Pilar. Del Pilar. He get the foul.
Shout out to Ato from Canada. Well, pwede ka dito.
This is number 13, warning. You commit your 4th personal foul.
Ang key factor sa Banayad, maraming free throw ng minintis. Ilang minintis, Lester? Daming minintis na free throw, no? Banayad, daming na minintis.
Good ball. 1-1.
Prospect sana.
Intercept one, mga Dunggay, easy 2 points. Jacket. Rebound on De Leon to Del Pilar. You get the foul. Penalty. Foul on 45. 1 minute and 8 seconds. First to Bassett. Second round. Good rebound on. That's back to jersey number 30. Down long pass to jersey number 3. Good. Jersey number 2 again. Good again. Rebound on Alcantara to De Leon. Good for 2 points. 50 seconds to play. 87-73. Rebound. Good. Rebound on 35. Good. Rebound on mga Dunggay. Mga Dunggay for 3. Short. 24 seconds for the final quarter. Rebound on mga Dunggay to Del Pilar. Easy 2 points. 10 seconds. Okay, a nice game from First Bite and Baraya Tizzi. Congratulations, First Bite, for the first win.